Hey guys, my name is Rene Chajo, and today I'm going to show you a very simple formula on how to calculate how much protection you should have on your family. You know, the reality is that we spend so much time and money protecting everything else around us, our phones, our house, property, cars, appliances, and we don't spend enough time learning and understanding how life insurance works and how we can better protect our family. So I'm going to show you with a few steps how you can calculate your life insurance need. All right. Now we use a method called the DIME method, DIME. This simply stands for debt, income, mortgage, and education. So the first thing you need to do is you need to figure out how much debt you have right now combined, excluding your mortgage balance. Okay, so if you have credit cards, loans, all of that, just go ahead and add it up, and you should come up with a number. Let's say that in this case a family has $50,000 worth of debt with loans, credit cards, and everything else combined. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to figure out how much money you're making on a yearly basis, and that way you can also calculate that for the next 10 years. So let's say a family makes $50,000 a year. If you multiply that for the next 10 years, you get $500,000, right? Now, the next thing you need to do is you need to figure out what your mortgage balance is currently. So let's say that a family has a $200,000 mortgage balance remaining. We'll leave it at that. And then the last thing is education. Now, this education is meant for your children. So let's say that you have 2 kids. Right now, the average college tuition, room and board, for the United States is $15,000 per year. If you have 2 kids, that would be approximately $60,000 for 1 kid for a 4-year college. So if you multiply that times 2, that's $120,000. Okay, this is 2 kids. So this would cover more or less sending 2 kids to a 4-year college in the United States on average. Last thing you need to do is you need to add these 4 numbers. So, 500,000, 50,000, 200, and 120. This is 500,000, 700,000, 820. This would be $870,000. Now, this is the minimum protection you should have on your family so that you're able to clear your debt, so that your family has your current income for the next 10 years, so that you're able to pay your mortgage balance, and so that you're able to send 2 kids to college. Now, if your number, this is going to vary up and down depending on all these criteria, right? But if you notice that you don't have enough, I would highly suggest that you contact your financial consultant. And if you don't know one or you don't already have one, then go ahead and give me a call, send me a message. There's going to be a link below where you can schedule a free consultation, where I can help you make sure that you're appropriately insured.